Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to change out your angle grinder disc. This is the Ryobi cordless angle grinder, but the process is pretty similar for other models as well. So first thing, you're going to want to grab this tool out of the handle, and then here you can see this is the disc I have on now. There's little teeth on this wrench, and you just stick those in here, and then you're going to want to press and hold on this button here until it kind of clicks, and you'll see it'll sit deep down in place. So while pressing and holding that same button in, you're going to want to turn this counterclockwise. See, this will come off. Just pull your disc off there and put our new one in place. You can see that sits right on there. Screw this right back on. And then to tighten it, you're going to want to press that button down again. Grab your wrench. Turn it counterclockwise, or turn it clockwise this time. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then you can slide your wrench back in here. And you should be all set. See, we got our new blade on there, and we switched out our cutoff wheel for this flap disc. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and hope you found this helpful.